Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. And today I would be talking about a very good website for your live market trades and news, and that is in.investing.com. If you directly type investing.com, this will give you a global market views, but in.investing.com will also give you global, but mostly on Indian market. So this is one of the very good websites to actually see live market views and lot of other data which will be really helpful for you in your day trades. And so once you go to in.investing.com, you can see the indices, the global indices, and you can click on the mobile version here, and let's see how it goes. So once it you can click on the India indices here, and you can also click on uh, India indices or major indices, and which will give you Nifty 50, BSE Sensex, and if you click on candlestick patterns, okay, I think I'll have to go to the indices first. So once you go here, major indices, and if you click on Nifty 50 here, this will give you a view of the Nifty 50. Now, if you click on constituents here, it will give you the performance. Since today is a non-market day, you will not see this data, and yeah, I think you can still see it. So as you can see, you can click on price, you will get the price list of the top 50 stocks, Nifty 50 stocks, and how they are actually doing it, percentage change, high, low, minus performance. When you click on performance, it will give you the daily performance, 1 week's performance, 1 month's performance, year to date performance. Technical, once you click on technical, it will give you a hourly indicator about buy, sell, and things like that. Again, if you click on fundamentals, it will give you fundamental view on it, average volume, and you can also check the average volume, which is increasing or decreasing in this in this last 1 hour and things like that. So this information will be very useful for you when you are actually trading in live markets. This should be actually this should be your first step when you actually are looking at today's view. And because indices are completely Nifty 50 constituents are completely dependent on how Nifty futures are performing and even Nifty is performing. Many people look at Nifty's performance without even looking at the stock performances on during the day. So that means you are looking at Nifty is going 10 points or 50 points up, but you don't even know where why the Nifty is going up and which stocks are actually performing very well. So there is a very good possibility that there will be a reversal and these stocks might come down, and at that time you will have to be careful, and Nifty can also go down based on this performance. So recovery from intraday low or recovery from intraday high, these are stocks means which are going down, and if one of these stock or the majority of these stocks are going down, the Nifty will also go down. So this data, as you can see, this particular data is available at in.investing.com. This is just a small example which I gave it to you, and there you can also see some live analysis from this website, which is based on live view on the market. So you don't actually have to manually go and check the charts manually, which the charts will give you a fair indication of where it is heading, and also the historical data too. So there are a lot of information which you can check it, but this should be your first view, especially if you want to see how the markets are behaving, how it is and things like that. This should be a first place where you can see, other than the other websites like Money Control and NDTV. So hope you enjoyed this, and I would want you to actually keep practicing. Make it a habit to go to this website every day during live market hours to analyze how the markets are behaving, and how you can take a position. Even when you're doing a paper trade, when you want to take a position, first do paper trade. I made a video on what is paper trade and how you should do paper trade and things like that. So this is one of the observation projects which you actually have to keep on observing the markets based on its view, on this constituents view. So all right, so hope you enjoyed this informative video on Nifty observation. And if you have any questions or clarifications, feel free to comment and ask, and I'll be happy to clarify them for you. And thank you, and I will see you again on my next video.